Ooh-cha. So we just pulled up to the Memphis Farmers Market. We're about to see what it's hitting for. Oh yeah, it's really nice. There might be a farmer's market in every city, but people just don't go. Yeah, we could have parked in here. Let's see what they got busting up for her. We got some peppers. How you doing? Oh, them blueberries. All right, have to come back and get some of those. Got the okra, beans. Ooh-cha, how are you? Big tomatoes, pickling cucumbers. All right. You want something from here? Ooh, look at the peach jelly. How you doing? Lots of jams and jellies right here. They look fire. Oh yeah. Those are microgreens. They're beautiful. Interesting. These are microgreens. You can grow these pretty fast. These are some big ones too. It's awesome. Good, how are you? Your microgreens look really good.
Thank you.
They look really good. You use pea moss?
It's cocoa husk.
Cocoa husk, okay.
That way it doesn't have the issues and problems like dirt. We don't use dirt.
Okay.
We do it in our house, in the bonus room, so it has its own air conditioning. It's still hydroponic.
Okay. Do you use heat? Do you use heat lamp still?
We have the lights.
Okay. For sure. Can I taste them? Can I taste the beets? These beets?
So this is amaranth.
Amaranth?
It's in the quinoa family, and it tastes like a beet.
Okay.
But I also have beets, microgreens there as well. But you can try.
Let me try this. I also want to try a little bit of this and see what it's hitting for.
A lot of people really like this. Now this one's real good for your blood and heart.
Okay. What is it called?
Amaranth.
Amaranth. Okay. Okay. I like that. We might got some of this. We got a whole bunch of microgreens that we grew one time, but we used dirt and it ended up molding.
Yeah.
So dirt's out.
Yeah.
The dirt's out.
Now the peas don't have anything in them.
So you just laid those?
Yeah, they just laid straight on the tray. You can see the peas right there.
Oh wow. Interesting.
And then there's...
That's beautiful. Well, you're doing a wonderful job. I got your card and definitely gonna be in contact with you. Appreciate you. That's good. I like that. Oh yeah, we got some. Look at these bird houses. Potatoes. Oh yeah, he got peaches over there too. These are some big daddy. These some big peaches. How you doing? Y'all fruits and vegetables look amazing. They look amazing. But as we see, we got, yeah, look good, look good. I can't even be eyeing them okras.
What's this? What is this called? Zucchini.
Oh, this is zucchini?
Just a yellow zucchini?
Interesting. Does it taste like regular zucchini? Okay. Interesting. Thank you. How you doing? Can I take Bella? Come on, Bella. Oh, can't go wrong with the macaroons. Oh, they got pickles. I can say pickles not bad anymore. Ooh. Beautiful flowers. Oh yeah, see the produce. This way. You see what's over here? It's like all flowers. Oh, Bella, you ain't getting no lemonade. You smell that? That smells good. Garlic. Lazy Dog Farm LLC. Can I taste the honey? You got any honey tasters? Huh? You're right, you're right. Look, the hotel got a food truck. They honey look real. Wow, it was a great experience going to the Memphis Farmers Market. They had some amazing fruits, amazing vegetables, flowers, and some amazing people. We work on going to each farmer's market across the land to experience and see what they have, and also talk to other farmers to see how their experience is going from first beginning farming to also being in the industry for so long. This information and knowledge is what has to be passed down to myself, to my family, and also to our youth. That's very useful, and that's agricultural education, which will help us push forward. We got some beautiful jambalaya watermelon, which was juicy, sweet, and just so delicious. And so in order to sustain ourselves, we have to support local farmers markets. And if we continue to support local farmer market, we'll have more fresh foods for ourselves to consume. And as we build on providing knowledge to one another, we can keep on growing. And this was the Memphis Farmers Market, and we have more for y'all to see soon from other ones that we visited.